So here is our roof scraper head and blade. I am going to show you how the mechanism works. It's a little bit baffling for some because obviously there's no nuts and bolts and spanner required with this new innovative kit. So the blades, if we have a look at the blades, you can see we've got those tabs either side, and obviously we've got this groove. So how on earth does that work with the head? So the head, if you can see here, we've got two pins that run all the way through the head. Okay, now they hold your blade to the head. This mechanism is your quick release, quick lock mechanism. Okay, that stops your blade from sliding and falling. So should we actually have a look, and I'll talk you through them. So I grab this blade and I insert those into those pins there. Okay, now what we do there, obviously you can see that that would drop because it isn't in place. So the blade goes in and slides across, and those pins are holding the blade. We now apply this quick lock mechanism. Now that prevents this from sliding. And you see what's happening here is you've got a couple of millimeters there, but it can't move any further because the lock mechanism is preventing that blade from doing this and this. It physically cannot fall out, so it's completely safe and secure. So what you also have within the kits is another mechanism. So in here, can you see in there, we've got a bearing. With your kit, you are also supplied with an Allen key and a thumb screw. So if you wanted to, you can remove the bearing quite easily. Insert your blade, push that down, obviously as far as it goes, and then use the thumb screw to tighten. So this is not going to rise up. You've secured that in place. This side to side movement is literally all you're going to get because it isn't going to move any further. It can't physically pull down. You've seen us in the videos really giving it a tug and moving side to side, and that again is what you see. It's just this. You've got a couple of millimeter play there, but it's not enough for the blade to come out. Head is available with one blade. If you've only got the one specific job, you can get the 10 blade with the head or the 18 blades with the head. We do have more in production, and we are adding wire brushes to the range as well. You might already have your own pole. If you don't, we've recently launched the GVS Pro 30, so your 30-foot telescopic carbon fibre pole. You can get that with the roof scraping kit, and you can also use that for your gutter inspection when you're using your camera, and also for fascia soffits and gutter cleaning as well. So hopefully that video will answer all of your questions on exactly how does it work, how safe is it. It's less problematic than other kits out there. As I say, there's no need for nuts and bolts, so if you don't need to lose anything, you don't need to buy any more fitment packs, things like that. And that is our scraper head and blade.